Welcome to the show, everyone. I'm Milú, and today we're tackling something that costs ambitious women more than they realize: self-sabotage. That invisible tax we pay when we procrastinate, when we undercharge, when we say yes to the wrong clients. It's not just about lost income, it's about something far more precious. And to talk about this, I've brought on Sarah. Sarah is a marketing consultant, a mom of two, and she was one of the first women to use my AI coaching tool to actually break these patterns. Sarah, welcome.
Thanks for having me, Milú. It's good to be here. Though it's a little confronting to talk about this stuff so openly.
That's the point. Let's get right into it. When we first started working together, what was the biggest, most obvious way you were getting in your own way?
Oh, underpricing, without a doubt. I'd have a call with a potential client, they'd ask for a quote, and my brain would just go blank. I'd throw out a number that was like half of what I knew I should charge. And then I'd spend the whole project resenting the work because I was so underpaid.
And what story were you telling yourself in that moment? When your brain goes blank, what's the script?
That they'll say no, that I'm not worth it, that there are 100 other people who could do this. So why would they pick me at a higher rate? It sounds ridiculous saying it out loud.
It's not ridiculous, it's expensive. Let's do the math. If you undercharge by $20,000 a year, which is conservative for many consultants, what are you actually losing over 5 years?
$100,000.
Right? But that's just the visible price. The invisible price is what you could have done with that time and mental energy. The better clients you could have attracted, the confidence you didn't build. That's the real cost. It's lost years, not just lost income.
Yeah, that hits different. The time thing is huge. I'd also procrastinate on pitching those ideal clients because I was, busy doing admin for the low-paying ones. It felt productive, but it wasn't.
Productive avoidance. It's a classic. You're trading the discomfort of a high-stakes action for the comfort of a low-stakes one. And the bill for that trade comes due eventually. What was the turning point for you?
It was using your AI tool. I started with the $30,000 reality check, which was a true eye-opener for me. Honestly, it forced me to log those moments. Every time I felt that pang of anxiety before sending an invoice or following up, I had to note it. And seeing it all written down, it wasn't just a feeling anymore. It was a pattern, a really expensive pattern. It gave me the data to argue back against that voice in my head.
Exactly. You weaponized awareness. So for our listeners right now who are nodding along, what's the one takeaway? What's the first step to stop paying that invisible price?
You have to get brutally honest about the cost. Not only the money you think you're losing, but also the time, the energy, the opportunities you're saying no to because you're too busy with the wrong yeses. Calculate it. Write it down. It's terrifying, but it's the only thing that made it real for me.
There it is. The invisible price of self-sabotage is paid in your most non-renewable resource, time. Sarah, thank you for your honesty. It's incredibly valuable. If this resonated with you, don't just listen and move on. Your assignment is this: identify one thing you did this week that was productive avoidance. What was the real, high-value work you were avoiding? That's your starting point. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Choose carefully which ones you allow to guide your actions. If you're ready to stop sabotaging your income and your future, follow Milú for more insights and tools. Until next time.